Hi all, today I'm going to brief about a Monte Carlo reinforcement learning algorithm with a combination of Markov reward process. This is the question based under the Nptel machine learning course. Here they have already given the Monte Carlo for the first visit within algorithms steps. There are two things we have to consider when we are doing Monte Carlo reinforcement learning. The first one is first visit MC, and then the next one is every visit MC. There is a slight modification when we are doing the calculation. In Monte Carlo reinforcement learning or algorithm, there are two things they will add up. The one is when we are traveling from one place to another place, it will be added with a reward. Okay, so that reward they are speaking about here is about Markov reward process. So when we are traveling in the forward session, the reward it will be in positive. When we are coming back to the session, then the reward it will be a negative. Okay, so here they have given two statements, E1 and E2, event 1 and event 2. From event 1 and event 2, the question is about to find the first visit of the algorithm. We have to use only the first visit to find either the A and then B. Okay, so here I'll brief you how to do that one. This question I have changed into these two formats, which will be easy for our examination purpose also. So from E1, what is that one? A to A, the reward is 1. So I just drawn A to A, the reward is 1. And then A to B, the reward is 2. From A to B, the reward will be 2. And then B to A, the reward is minus 2. From B to A, the reward is minus 2. Again from A to B, the reward is 2. From B to terminate, the reward is minus 1. So from B to terminate, the reward is minus 1. I just mentioned it is event 1. Again we have to look into event 2 also. So in event 2, the first sentence is started with B to A, the reward is minus 2. So we have to mention like this, and then A to B, the reward is 2. Again B to terminate, the reward is minus 1. So once if we have taken like this, from here only we are going to calculate. Our question is clearly mentioned that it have to be simplified with first visit algorithm. Okay, what is our first visit algorithm? In this entire sentences, where only we have to consider only the first visit of our alphabet. Okay, if we are taking A is our alphabet or else A is our instance, from this entire case we have to consider only A when it is visited first time. So here in this entire sentence, the A is visited over the first time in this area. So from that onwards we are calculating the rewards given over here. Okay, so from first instance, what is the A over here? After first A, the rewards are 1 plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 and minus 1. If we are taking the second instance, there where our A starts, the first visit of our A starts in this area only. So after that, whatever the sentences continuing, we have to take all the values, rewards over there. So from A, what the first value is 2 and the second value is minus 1. What we need to do is we have to find the average of these two things. Okay, so even in the first sentences, our A is 1 time we visited. In the second sentences, for our A, 1 time we visited. So totally 2 times we visit. So number of first visits, that is by 2. Okay, 2 times we visited, and then these values, after adding what value we are getting, we have to use it over there, and then we will find the overall first visit of an alphabet A. The same method we have to go for the first visit of alphabet B. Okay, the event B. So if we are looking into that one, here we can clearly see that in this first instance, the B starts over here only first. Okay, here you can clearly see that B starts here only first. So after the B only we have to calculate our rewards. Okay, we shouldn't calculate A and B, we have to start calculating after B only. So here our first instance B starts, so our reward is minus 2. I have taken minus 2, and then A to B, it's a plus 2. Again B to T, it is minus 1. Okay, so we have a event 1, first visit of B, we got 1 value, and the same we will apply for event 2 also. Here our B starts in this area itself, first letter itself B only. So for that reward we are taking minus 2, 2 and minus 1. If we calculating, if we add event 1 B and event 2 B, what we get the value of -1 and -1. Number of first visits, here one visit we got, again here is the first visit we got, so totally we got number of first visits are 2, so we will get the B of B, visits of B number is -1, that's our value. Okay, but there is another combination is also there, that is every visitor. That is very important. Most probably they do ask in examinations about every visit, this questions only. So how to do that one? This is very simple as the first visit. Here we need to calculate whenever the A starts, at the time we have to calculate the remaining numbers behind the A. Okay, for example, the first instance, the first event, the A starts here. Okay, so I just taken all the values behind the A, that is from A to A 1, from A to B 2, from B to A -2, from A to B again 2, and B to D -1. Okay, again every visit, so the first visit over, again where the second visit is been, here is the second visit. In second visit A starts here, so I have to calculate 2, again -2, 2 and -1. Again in the same sentence where the A starts, again here the A starts, so this is my third visit of the first instance. So this is the third visit. Or after A, what is the A value I have taken, and then from A to B, B to T there is -1, so I have taken. So in the first event there are 3 A events are there, and 3 A visits are there. Again we will go for the second event. Here only 1 A visit is there, so you can take this 2 and then that -2, which will be after A. What are the things following, we have to take that one until the end. Okay, once if we done that one, we will go with our normal formula. Here we can clearly see that our formula will be E1 of A and E2 of A divided by number of every instance. So here one instance, here 2, this is our second instance, and third instance, and this is our fourth instance. So our value, it will be like that. Here you can clearly see that 1 plus 2, 2 plus -2 plus 2 plus 1, and then that second value we will take, see this one, second value we will take, and then the third value, and then this fourth. E2 event 2's A's value we are taking, divided by 4. Why 4? Because we have 4 A visits in the question. So here first visit over, again here the second visit starts and up to here over, again here third visit starts and up to here over, again here fourth visit starts. The same we need to calculate for B also. Okay, how do we calculate for B? In the first event where the B starts here the B starts, and then it goes up to T. Okay, so what is the value? -2, 2 and -1. Okay, and then in the first instance again the B starts here, so we have to take that also from B -1, B to T, that is -1 I have taken. Again in the second event the B starts from here and goes up to the end, so all the values -2, 2, -1. Again here the second one B starts here and ends at T, so that value I have taken here as 1. Okay, so again we use the same formula, E1 of B and E2 of B, and overall instance, how many instances are there? Here also we are getting 4 events, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 visits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 visits of the B. So here you can say first visit, second visit, third visit, and fourth visit. So divided by 4, we will get the values of 4 minus 4 by 4, we will get the value of 1. So this is the question which was asked in NPTEL machine learning course, which is very easy to solve. There are 2 things again, and I do repeat. For the first visit we have to take only the first instance. For the every visit we have to consider all the alphabets whenever it's being considered. Okay, thank you for watching.